I have probably discovered the coolest product out there, and I bet you don't know what it is, and I'm going to show it to you. I was just at Universal Studios. I honestly wish I had this with me. It is only 2.5 pounds, super easy to carry. You have this handle, you could attach it to a backpack, and obviously I know you just can't wait to see what it is. Check this out. So you've got these little holes here, and you have some on this side here, and you just pull, and then this can hold up to 400 pounds. This is a chair. It is a portable chair. Can you imagine? We spent like 2 hours in some lines at Universal Studios. My feet were killing me. If I had this thing with me, just standing there, you know, oh, and then we move in line, just pick it up, move it to the next spot, sit down. This thing is amazing. This one is clearly the black one. It does come in different colors. My mind is absolutely blown. I think this is fantastic and everybody needs one.